Hello, traders. My name is Anna, and I am head coach at Leveraged. And today, with me, as usual, I have Amin, and we are going to scalp as usual. Just a disclosure, if you are entering any trades, then please always use your own risk management. Please always follow your plan. So, we are just here to scalp together, to talk about market, to talk about where the price is going to go, and we're going to try and do our best. So we are going to start with just usual analysis. I'll be honest, I haven't looked at the charts today, so maybe Amin can take over and start with analysis.
Buongiorno. So let's scalpo.
Let's go. Hello.
Um, so
Good
for
morning.
today, I want to focus only on two main strategies on 1 minute time frame, maybe five, and I will put aside the top-down strategy
Okay.
where I start checking the levels on 30 minutes time frame and then on turn 5 minutes because it's more day trade strategy. It takes sometimes. So for today, we try to focus on the strategies where we can be in and out fast, at least a few minutes, not above 20 minutes at least. Like for example, I had we had trades. Let me show you of top-down analysis. Like for example on the pound USD, as you can see there, it was yesterday up, and we had a nice win, but it took me a lot of hours.
Oh, wow.
So it's not a scalp. It's a scalp. Same for USDN. We took a trade yesterday on USDN. Okay, it was during the live stream. So it was a nice losing trade.
Beautiful.
Very clean losing trade. Just to tease me enough to go down fully after. So it was very clean teasing. Just like we like. We like.
Yeah, beautiful.
But yeah, during this area, I took a scalp very fast in
Mm-hmm.
1 minute time frame. So I didn't go down without a fight.
Mm-hmm.
So this is why we try to, as you can see, take a lot of hours. The strategy of top-down analysis. It's clean to see and to trade, but we are now scalping, not day trading. So I will focus on very short, fast strategies. So let's start with gold. We are on the very strong downtrend on 1 minute time frame. Okay. And I'm trying right now to catch exactly a trade. Okay. Up with the nice, at least hammer or engulfing candle. This is
Mm-hmm.
what I'm trying to get. Okay. But I want to check the news first. So let me check the news.
Let's check the news first. Yeah.
Exactly.
Um, Look
So
at, I
if I
love
have any,
Marcos says gold is crazy, like every day. I agree, absolutely agree with you. Haydar says today NAS 100 is crashed. OMG. Is it that bad?
this is the end.
This is the end.
So I'm
Oh
checking
man.
right now. So 3 p.m. for me for November. Do we have any important news right now? Nothing on Forex. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I check also the metals calendar. Not like last time because it's not the same game anymore. Same, nothing. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's scalp.
Let's go.
So I'm waiting for better price action.
So are
So
you waiting to buy gold or
right,
sell?
yeah, I'm waiting to buy.
Okay, same thing for me. Same thing for me.
Trying to
If
catch
I
the
look
knife, guys.
basically we both are going to catch the knife. Okay, like look at my chart in here. So this is what I'm looking for, 1 minute. So there is like this support area right here. So I'm looking to buy, and my idea is based on that we are going to support this area. So I'm hoping that we are going to see some bullish candles, and then I'm going to get in and I'm going to target these highs, and I'm going to make sure that I protect this low in here. So my risk reward is going to look something like that. So I'm going to make sure that I protect these lows, right? And I'm going to target the high. And that's going to look like this, you guys. So this is the idea. But for now, I don't see any bullish confirmation whatsoever. And I don't want to just buy because the price touched in here. I really want to see some bullish candles. So I'm curious about, what you're going to look for to enter the trade. Or you already entered the trade. Oh my
No, no,
goodness.
I just place the order. Just place the.
Okay, you just placed the order. Okay. I'm just going to
Okay,
wait for this candle closure.
okay, I'm in. Let's go.
Okay, you're in. Okay, we're buying gold, guys. We're buying gold. Well, not me, but Amin is he's buying gold.
I'm
So
in. I don't have
I'm going to
time.
try and calculate. So
Oh,
819
I
pips
just. Okay, should be clean.
should be clean. You are in. And your
Yes,
profit is just below what is the indicator? Can you
it's a Bollinger Band, and it's the medium. It's 20
Okay.
simple moving average.
Okay.
It's 220. Let's go. This is scalps. This is what we like. We want fast in and out. We don't like to be in the suspense for many hours if my trade will go up or down. So you suffer quickly, but it's ends.
Yeah.
At least, yeah, the suffering is done very fast.
Right.
So
I am trying to buy and I'm going to buy now. I placed the order.
mhm.
Okay. Let's see, guys. Let's see what Anna is doing. Anna is doing this. So, took the buy, beautiful rejection there, and I took it. So now my idea is that we are going to, whoopsie daisy, that was not necessary. You know the thing about the C trader, you can't go back. You can't go back. Need to place it again. Right.
Okay. At least we don't
So
have to wait on my
my
side for
risk
too much
reward,
time.
this time I have a really good risk reward. My risk reward is 1.85. So I'm risking 0.5% and potential to make 1%,
Good.
2%. Yeah, 1%. Nice. It's just waiting game, right? Waiting game. This is not good. This is not good. So I just love this price action thing. So what I always do when I enter the trade, I'm trying to figure out what can happen next. Now, obviously, first thing I want for the price to do, we have this high in here, right? So that's our high. So what I'm expecting now that the price is going to start to print bullish price action and eventually we'll take out this high in here. And then once we take the high, we retest and then we go for these highs, we break them, and then, this is if we would live in an ideal world. Normally that doesn't happen and price is moving differently, but this is the idea. And I think for scalping, what I have learned is that we always need to follow the price action. But obviously, I also have said this to you guys many times. If you listen to what I'm telling, is that we always can find confirmation both ways, right? So
Yes, true.
also in here, if you look close enough, you will see that, there was this area, right? So this was support, broken, retest, and now we're going to go lower. You can also read it like that. But because I'm basing my entry on this support level here, it actually says that, hey, price was here and then we respected it. Then we came to touch that area again and we respected it. We bounced. And now this is the third time we are here. So I am pretty confident and I have enough confirmation to say that I actually want to be in buys in here. And that's what I did. So now we just need to wait. Obviously, if we are going to start break the lows, then I know my analysis was wrong. I was wrong, but still I did it according to my plan. And I did not made up, hey, I'm gonna enter here, I'm gonna enter that. Like it was still based on analysis. And that's what I'm trying to say, that even though, let's say, if this is going to be losing trade, it's still going to be a good loss. So yeah, that's my rant over. I mean, how is your trade looking?
Not good.
Not good.
But I know for sure I will not wait too much time. So
Mm,
yeah, this is the good thing about scalping. It's
mhm,
indeed emotional, fast, can be stressful to the highest, getting
mhm.
gray hairs, but it's quick.
Yeah, it's quick. Quick
It's quick.
suffering.
Exactly.
Um, Mr. Nimsey says, I will enter only after breaking 3972.6. 3972.6. Okay, yeah, that makes sense after these previous highs based on my condition. Yep, I agree. I think it's good.
We're gonna broke it soon.
Um, yeah, and it almost, yep, it's broken now. Mr. Nimsey, time to enter the trade. Let's scalp. Come on, come on, come
Go,
on.
go, go,
Go,
go.
go, go. I can't believe I said that. Okay.
We said
So
go, go,
yeah,
go because he need to follow his plan. This is why.
exactly. Exactly. Amin is really good at like pushing me down to earth because when I get excited, he's like, remember to follow your plan. Remember to use proper risk management. So
It's
Angel
just
works.
also remember for a reminder for me. It's working both ways.
I know. I know. It's a reminder for
And also
yourself.
for the viewers. So we all in
Yeah.
the same boat, guys.
Yep. So we are scalping. Angel is asking, what pair are you scalping? We are scalping gold. And we'll see how that is going to go for us. Amin is very close to the take profit. You're
But
just getting teased there.
yeah, but I got
Um,
used to losing my trade when I'm very close to take profit. Oh,
yep.
bye bye,
And it's
guys.
done. And it's done. And I
Okay.
am
Have a good day.
and he's out. So live streaming was for 12 minutes. We did the trades. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for being
Thank you so
here.
much.
It's time for us to leave. We're kidding. We're
This is
kidding.
scalping.
This is scalping.
Scalping
This is quick.
also on the streaming. This is a scalp streaming. In
Yeah.
and out on the stream very fast.
Mm. Oh, um, Angel says, I'm on a sell on gold. LOL. It's okay. We
It's
both can
okay?
win.
Yeah.
Yep, it's okay. We can both win. Especially if it's scalping. It's good. Um, yeah. Mr. Nimsey says that my TP1 is at 39.7765. Yeah, almost was reached. Yeah. Well, maybe
What
I'm
a
too
wonderful
ambitious.
day.
Yeah. I mean, maybe I'm too ambitious. Like, look, I'm ambitious. My take profit is all the way up.
I saw your take profit, but I didn't say nothing. It's your plan because if it's part of your plan, go for it. But
Yeah.
it will take some time.
Well, you never know. You never know. I
You
am
never know,
currently,
indeed. But from the experience, the probability, it's all about probabilities. Nothing is certain.
yeah.
Do we have the probabilities to have a fast win? Yes. Is it high?
Mhm.
No,
Yeah. I think
depending
my
of the
idea in
situation.
here is just like to see these highs now taken. So I want price to come break this retest and then, go and take these highs and just like see basically what I'm looking for is more of a bullish momentum and just start to take these highs eventually until I reach the take profit. But again, you guys, we're not living in perfect world where the price is moving the way it's moving. Price is doing different things and most likely price is gonna move something like this, we're just gonna go and then again and then and then
Exactly.
this.
Exactly. This is
Exactly. Yeah,
stressful.
it is stressful. Okay, well, how about if we analyze other pairs? Because Amin already got a take profit. So one for Amin, zero for Anna. Good job, well done. How about if you look at something else? What do you have in your mind? What are you looking at? GBP USD. Tell us.
Yeah, I'm in a trade.
Okay.
I took a scalp right now on 1 minute time frame for a pound USD.
Right. Okay.
Um,
That was
because
quick.
we came bouncing on this. Yeah, I have to be. The market is not waiting for me, so I
Yeah.
have to take the quick loss or the quick win. At least I take it with the
Yeah.
respect of my rules. So the price came bouncing on this level. As you can see,
Hmm.
it was nice bounce,
Beautiful.
and the price action is very nice hammer, and with the oversold stochastics, cross green and red in the area of oversold, and
Hmm.
with also the bond of Bollinger touching the low of the bond. So yeah, I just placed the order just above the hammer, and I wait. I think I'm gonna close
Yeah.
manually.
Go for it.
Mm, too late. Okay, now it's time. It's too fast for me, guys. It's way
It's
too
like
fast.
delicate hands, okay? I just want to first congratulate Mr. Niz. Sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. I'm really sorry. But you say, Hi, Anna. I had received your email. I'll contact you as today I passed 25K Turbo Challenge. Whoop, whoop. Well done for getting funded. So, what he's talking about, guys, by the way,
Okay,
just want to say
done.
that for those. Okay, we have take profit 2-0. Well done. Good job. So maybe I should just like I'll just say that, okay? I'm just gonna go
Listen,
out,
listen.
okay?
This is a risky strategy. I got 6 losing trade on one pair. So
Beautiful.
imagine if I combine multiple pairs, I can get 60 losing trades
Yeah, that's
in
true.
a row.
Um, but anyhow, congratulations on your win. What I was saying there that our funded traders get one-on-one coaching sessions, and once you get funded, you will get an email from myself, and we can go in a session together where we can decide how I can help you, how I can support you on your trading journey. So, and yeah, and Mr. Nimsy had his first trade on the gold, and I think the first profit target was reached because you said your profit target is 397765. Almost there.
Almost
Almost
there.
there. Congrats. Congrats to you. I mean, for
Merci.
two beautiful trades.
Merci
Good
beaucoup.
job. Good job. Okay. What's next for you? What's next in
I'm
store for
checking
you?
Euro USD, and
Okay.
yeah, I'm waiting for the price to come back to this down, and we are
Mm-hmm.
soon getting there. So I start placing the orders. Okay, the lows and the high, and
Mm-hmm.
like this, I will be expecting for reversal on key levels. If not, I will try to test the new strategy
Yeah.
of Bond of Bollinger, but I don't like testing live. I like to do back testing to
Mm-hmm.
avoid. I'm sure in the back testing it's working well. Only then I go to forward testing. But we are live streaming, so we will see how it goes in the moment.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes. We'll see. Okay.
So yeah,
Right. Euro USD. I can't see anything to be fair.
yeah, I know. I just have a small level there, waiting to catch a bounce. That's it. Pound USD is breaking the level. At least I got
Mm-hmm.
my small scalp, but yeah, as you can see, it did a small up and directly got
Mm-hmm.
down. So yeah, it's very risky. Trading is risky, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Look at this feedback, Mr. Nimsy. Correct. I took my first trade on gold and it hit profit of $76. With proper risk management, I wish to trade with get leveraged for long term. I'm done for today. Huge, huge. Well done. Well done.
Great. Félicitations.
Hidar says, I buy NASDAQ from 25598. Okay, let's see NASDAQ. I don't want to look at it. I mean, you can look at it. You
We
do
check.
analysis on your NASDAQ.
No problem. I have it ready. So, what did he
Okay.
buy?
Yeah, buy NASDAQ from 25598.
So 2, 5,
Yeah,
9,
that's
8. Yeah. Okay. You just there recently. You took the trade like.
mhm.
Uh, I don't see any buying. I don't see any buying signal on my side. Okay,
Mhm.
but don't follow my side. Follow your plan.
Exactly. Exactly. Always your plan.
So yeah, for me, I would. We have many options. Okay, we can take the pullback there. Okay, it's one possibility. So if you took the
Mhm.
pullback, it will have been best to take it very lower instead of 25 598 to take it this hammer. As you can see, it was pretty clean trade there,
Mhm.
but yeah, I don't know your strategy. So if it on my side, if I'm not taking the trade there on this Fibonacci levels, I will be taking a trade after the break of this strong small resistance. As you can see, we have multiple rejections there, and yeah, if we break it, I will be in. That will be me for my scalp on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, but I don't know how it goes on 1 minute. It's another world. 1 minute time frame, guys. It's another world. So let's check 1 minute time frame how it is on the 1 minute time frame. So we have the up and down there. This is the low, and you took the trade there exactly. Okay. 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 Fair enough. It's in the middle. If you try to catch a bounce on the middle, like from this level, yeah, like it can be a solution, but not in my plans. But let me check the other assets. But yeah, for pound Nasdaq on 5 minutes time frame, I had a good trade, but it was before on the bounce on the Fibonacci level, and on 1 minute time frame. For now, I have nothing on my side.
Hmm.
So gold is going down.
Yep.
Yeah, because it was very nice signal there. As you can see, we have a nice bounce on the 50 EMA with a very strong engulfing red candle, very strong and clean. And we have just a previous key resistance there on the left,
Mhm.
and matching also the stochastics well over both and crossing in this area. So it was a good selling trade to take on the strategy of pullback. It was very fast and clean for the one trading pullback strategies. My respect, but maybe I will add it later. For now, it's not part of the trading live stream, but maybe I will add more strategies for scalping fast. Let's check pound USD. Okay, pound USD is reaching, breaking the lows. So it break down, pull back on the level. So
Mhm.
now it's a resistance and decided to go down. So nothing from me on the 1 minute time frame. Here we go. EURUSD is now on the level of the previous bounce. Maybe I will try to catch a trade, guys. I have to avoid over trading with this strategy. It's very risky. We can get a lot of signals, but you can also have a lot of losing trades. So what do we have? This is an ugly hammer. I want a longer wick, so even if the price go up, I will not be taking the trade, sadly. So yeah, I will wait for better price action for RUSD. This is the body is too big compared to the wick. To the wick, I want hammers like this. These three
So
ones
when you
are very.
say that's like ugly hammer, what is it exactly that I thought? So basically, you only enter on the hammer, so not bullish closure, but you need to have it as a hammer. So with the
Yeah,
wick and
either
small
a
body,
hammer or an engulfing
engulfing
candle.
candle. Okay.
We
Yeah.
who should be bullish on this on the support. But
Mm,
yeah, for the yeah, if I want to trade a buy trade, of course it's better to have bullish hammer, but for me it's not needed on my plan.
yeah.
So there, yeah, I'm just waiting for better price action to
Mm-hmm.
give me. This is too small of a body. I'm not gonna trade this, guys.
Yeah.
But I can,
Makes
huh?
sense.
I can, but it's risky. Huh?
Yeah.
There is a lot of issues when you trade on lower time frame, like slippage, spread, etc. So often the win rate, the risk to reward ratio is not that great because of all these issues.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have all this when we swing trade, guys. We don't have any slippage, no issue with the spread. Life is good when you swing trade, guys. Life is very.
Life is good. Yeah, life is good. So let's have a wee look on my trade, on my
Yes.
gold trade, and catch up on the comments there. Hader said that I trade this level for the Nasdaq because I see the grab on 4 hours. If you check my entry, is 5 minutes. So yeah, and looks like Nasdaq is going nicely up for you. So that's good. Um, yeah, so it would be nice to see now these highs taken because that would be a nice confirmation for yourself. Rob said that, hey, I'm back again, bought the funded phase, but down 50%. Well, yeah, that's not great. Again, Rob, you can reach out to me anytime. We can jump on a call and we can have a chat and we can try and figure out what is it that you need to, to stop losing the account. And hello, hello, everyone who joined in. Hello, hello. So looking at my gold trade, this is a quick price action here. What's happened? So as I said, I want it for these highs to be taken. And as you can see, guys, this is exactly what the price did, right? So we didn't take these highs and it rejected. So now, as long as we protect this low in here, I'm still good. And I just want for the price now to go and try and build that bullish momentum again and just take out these highs in here. I know it's a lot of scribbles there, but that's basically the ideal thing. If we start to break lower, again, just like I said when I entered this setup, it just simply means I was not right and the price is not going to go into my direction. But still, I think the analysis overall, when you zoom out, it's still good. And I think my profit target, I know some for you, so like, this is too high, this is too big. Maybe I should have just, targeted here. But I am happy with my profit target, what it is. And I'm just going to wait and see. So I need to be more patient. I need to be more patient because you can see how long how long it took, to get to the high. Also from here, it was quite a long trade. So if I'm right, it's probably going to take time. But for me now, when I zoom in, I just want to see this low protected. So we'll see what's going to happen. And it's not looking too good, but that's scalping for you. And as long as I use proper risk management, which I do. Oh, that was fast. Ouch. But it's all good. Look at that. Life is so stressful when scalping. It is. Was there news? Like, what was there news? I mean, we can't hear you. Wait, you're muted. I'm gonna mute you. Unmute Mike.
Hello.
Here we go. Yeah, hear you now.
I said it's acting like a crypto. This is crazy.
I know. What just happened? What just happened? Was there news that I was not aware of?
Yeah, I said we don't have any. So where is it
Yeah.
from? No, I'm
Okay.
checking right now, and we have news, but it's weak ones. It should not impact.
Yeah. Well, anyhow, I want to point out something. Barry says, wow, look at that slippage.
No,
It's
I don't. We don't have that.
completely normal. It is absolutely no, I'm going to remove this one so it's clearer. So, no, actually, my stop loss was in here, but then I got slipped. It's normal. Look at the movement. Look at the price movement. It's absolutely normal, and that's what happens. And also when price is moving fast, we can also see the spreads increasing. So these are normal conditions, nothing crazy. And yeah, let's see how much I was slipped um today. Let's see today. Yeah, I took on extra $150 on the slippage, and that's normal, and that's just part of the trading, guys.
Yeah, I when I trade scalping, like often my risk to reward ratio is not at all respected. Often I end with the negative risk to reward, like
Yeah,
0.8. So yeah, this is the negative part of scalping. You can't get a fast trade and
yeah,
have it all good and nice. So you have to pick one.
yeah. I was looking at this for to sell GJ because I was looking at the 1 hour and see this area here. Let me put this one here, right? It's looking beautiful. Let me put this one up. So nice break and retest happened. So I was like thinking maybe I could sell, but it's kind of far gone, it's far gone unless I put this in here.
Bye bye.
Yeah, it's a bye bye. It's your favorite thing to say. It's a bye bye. Should have been selling, in here, but it is what it is. But I don't know. What about gold? If we can try and do some kind of retest thing in here like this, then we could try and enter for
Yeah,
sales.
yeah. This is a good plan.
Good opportunity if it comes because
Yeah,
this
but
is
now
just
it's strongly down.
very, very bearish. Very, very bearish. It is what it is. Scalping is not for
Stressful.
me.
It-
For me.
this is stressful.
It's just not for me.
No, you just need to backtest.
Yeah, I guess. This is
You
my back
just need to.
testing, like forward testing. This is good. This is really good. We're getting more data. We're collecting more data. Um, do I want to enter in here a little buy position? Do I
It's
want to,
nice, huh?
guys? It is nice. It's looking nice. Are you looking at the same thing as well?
No, I'm looking at gold going down and down.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Gold
I
is.
stopped looking for OUSD.
Oh
It's teasing
wow.
me too much on the level, so I said, yeah, just bye bye.
Mm.
You are too slow OUSD, so
I think maybe it's even like better to wait for the break and then retest and actually try to sell EU because from the higher time frames, if I quickly look at, for example, 1 hour chart, okay, look at that, nothing on the left. Like there's nothing on the left, but there's so much to fill still. All this move, so yeah, we could actually try and be a seller in the market
yeah, I will
and
try
do
to
quick.
catch a buy.
Nah, I'm gonna catch a sale. Let me see what you're up to. Let me see. That's gold. You're just watching the gold fall like a
I'm
nice.
ready to kick in.
Mm.
It's part of my strategy, so
You're gonna try to
so
buy the
so
falling
be
knife.
it. So be it.
Oh, guys, please do not copy these trades. Please do not copy the.
This is stressful strategies, guys. I suggest you to all be swing traders. This is for sure.
Oh my goodness, that is so bad. Look, it's New York Open. Once you sell, it will go up again. Oh no.
Okay, let's go.
Right. I am whoa.
I
EU
placed my
just
order.
spiked down big time and I want it to get in. Ten pips. Right, what's happening there? It's silence. We're both busy.
It's
We're both
like a
trying.
sniper before pulling the trigger. I just wait and try to catch
Oh no.
the
Guys,
target
I'm
at the
getting
right
cooked
moment.
myself right now. You guys, we're getting cooked together, okay? Okay. Well, I placed a sell on EU.
Great.
I don't think it was a good idea, but it's okay. We'll see. We'll see if I will regret my decision.
Welcome to scalping, guys.
Welcome to scalping.
Enjoy.
Okay. Sell.
This is not easy. So this is why you need very strict rules for strategy and also risk management. Otherwise,
Mhm.
if it's not strict rules for the risk management, it will be a mess.
Yep. And looks like you're gonna get tagged in.
Ah, I would love to not. Oof. Ooh.
Why would you take okay, explain your behavior here.
Okay,
What
okay, no
happened?
problem. My strategy is very strict. If the next condor is not going above the one I place the order, I don't take the trade.
Right,
This
I
is
got
why, and as you
yeah.
can see, it was teasing me but not going up. So
Mhm.
I, when the condor was closed, boom, it
Yeah.
wasn't more validated. The trade for
Yep.
me was off.
Makes sense.
But if this hammer was touching the bond of Bollinger at the below, I would
Mhm.
have kept the order, but it's not touching, so I have to be strict, like a dictator
Yeah.
with my strategy. It's
Makes sense.
tempting, okay, but I have to be very strict. So yeah, it will be even if it's going up. Uh, I don't care. It's not part of my plan anymore. And yeah, it was teasing, but hopefully the order was placed to take in account the spread. Otherwise,
Mhm.
I will be in already, even if the spread, even if the order is not going up above. As you can see, the price
Mhm.
didn't go above; it was just a little below.
Mhm. Yeah.
And
Looks like
yeah,
you saved yourself a loser there.
exactly.
Yeah. Someone says,
Oof.
"Oh my god, you're buying gold again." Can you
Yeah,
believe
there it
that?
was a losing trade if I didn't
Yeah.
remove my trade in time.
Yeah.
So this is why you have
Yeah,
to
we'll see.
backtest your strategy and follow it strictly. So yeah, for
Mm.
now, nothing on gold. Bye bye.
Yeah. My EU trade is looking like this currently. So basically, the idea was to take out the break, and I did. So there was nice bearish momentum there, and I took the trade. Um, Protected this high, not this one here above the zone, but like this high. And then yeah, I'll adjust my take profit. I'll see where it's gonna go. But this is currently what it's right now. It's looking like this. And gold, yeah, gold is bye bye. Gold is not good. Gold is just stopped out and not good. But yeah. And GU is just melting. Absolutely melting. Um yeah, I see we could have done some selling in here. Break retest and like sell in here and probably would be in a nice profit, but Shoulda, coulda, woulda doesn't count. So now I'm just in this trade and I'm going to wait and see what's going to happen. Uh, Rob says, Anna, question, why you trade 1 minute? Thought you trade the 15 minutes. Because the sessions are only, we do them for 1 hour. And the best way to do it is just do scalping. And that's just use 1 minute charts for the live
We can,
streams.
yeah, use 1 or 5 minutes short, but yeah, if we do day trading strategy, you will not see truly. You will see how we analyze the trade, how we enter the trade, but you won't see what happened to it.
Mm, yeah. Unless we can, I guess we can try and trade also higher time frames and then just
Yeah, of
update you
course.
guys what's happening in the Discord. But yeah, I'm just exploring, I guess, as a trader. I'm forever growing and evolving, so I'm exploring this scalping. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, normally I do trade 15-minute candles. But now I'm just exploring. The scalping encourage bad habits. It doesn't if you follow the plan and if you do the proper risk management. It doesn't when you are in control of yourself and you know exactly what you're doing. So that's what I'm saying. It's so important that we take the trades that actually make sense and you properly apply the risk management, then you're fine. But if you're gonna let go, of course, yes, it can inspire more bad behaviors and fear of missing out, over trading. That obviously comes from scalping. And that's why we say scalping is not for everyone, right? Scalping is like, yeah. I mean, to newbies, yes, absolutely. The newbie should be I don't want to say should because there are so many different people and some traders who start the trading journey they actually start with scalping because that's with scalping you can learn how to read the price action the best, at least in my opinion. It's
Yeah,
literally you're
it's the
trading,
most difficult. So
but it is.
be ready.
Yeah, be ready, be prepared for that. But I think it's obviously scalping is good when you know exactly what you're doing, but can scalping actually increase your emotions? Yes, I think it can. Like even for myself, like obviously we giggle around and everything,
Yeah,
but
this is
kind of sucks,
a
it
mess.
sucks to see, like this crazy price action. So uh okay, Rob, I'm not gonna pull that one up. He's like, yeah. Okay, please, I mean, can you look at the BTC?
Yeah,
Um,
in few
yeah.
seconds I will watch that.
Did you take a trade or something?
No,
But you wanted to, yeah?
yeah, I want, but I have to wait 2 minutes. The close of the candle
Okay.
on 5 minutes time frame.
Yeah.
There it. Let me see. I didn't test my strategy on EURUSD. I'm not taking the trade, but I would love to if my strategy was back tested on this asset. So let's check Bitcoin, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin, but only in the night. During the day, it's too much correlated to the forex market and the New York banks. So on my side, what do we have? We broke this level cleanly. Okay, so it's not
Mm-hmm.
respected anymore. So I don't draw it anymore. This level. So we're just going down and down on 30 minutes time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, do we have a nice trade to take? So we did a nice compression and breakdown there just recently. This is pretty good. As you can see, we had multiple bounce on it and we finished it with a bounce on the 50 MA. This is the kind of break strategy I like to take, but yeah, it can be risky. Stop loss above the last high. So yeah, if I was trading the strategy of breakout, I will be already in the trade. Of course, losing, but already in the trade.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is the trade I will be already in on Bitcoin. If I traded this strategy today on 5 minutes
Hmm.
time frame. So
Very
let's
similar to what EU is looking at. Like that's what
yeah,
you say.
this
It's
is why
very
I said
correlated.
we should on my side. I avoid trading cryptos during the day. Only
Yeah.
when at the close of the New York session. Then
Hmm.
only then I shift to cryptos
Hmm.
for day trade or scalp. Of course, if you swing trade, you can check at any time you want.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
So on 1 minute
Um,
time frame, yeah, um, we for the strategies I'm using for the live stream, I have nothing. But for the other strategies, we may have a nice pullback there, like
mhm,
okay, and we not having a nice pullback. It's exceeding the Fibonacci levels. So yeah,
mhm,
no, nothing on the 1 minute time frame for me to take right now, unless I have a pullback on this small gray area. That's it. So as you can see, it will have been maybe soon a losing trade on Bitcoin. So yeah, so I suggest for who scalp or day trade cryptos to just a reminder that it's a lot correlated to the other markets during the day.
yeah.
So be careful, guys. Don't think it's cryptos. It's not correlated. It is correlated, and it will stop the correlation after the close of the New York session. So
Mhm,
be careful. For me, since it's correlated, I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just gonna focus on the best assets where there is the strongest volume and liquidity inside of it.
mhm.
Since the correlation come from these assets, the
Yeah.
correlation come from the gold, pound, and USD mainly, and all others are way below.
Mhm.
Of course, we can add the stock market, but it's different. So there we
Okay.
have a nice, maybe a nice engulfing candle. So I will try maybe to catch it on the 5 minutes time frame. I will see in 3 minutes how it goes on gold.
Mhm. Okay. Right. I will quickly do the GJ analysis. Please check the GJ. So let's check the GJ on one
Let's check the
minute. There.
GJ.
Yeah, GJ. She's my is the worst pair. Okay, love and hate relationship in
I
here,
know.
if if any. So I think we are closing this gap here, and we are going to be bearish. So that would be my ideal like bias is bearish. So now I just need to find where I could enter the trade. And I think ideal was already done in here. We could have entered the sales, but never happened. So maybe just wait for the price to pull back and then enter the sale. But that's I think more or less I am bearish on GJ. And yeah, and also like on the higher time frames as well. Look at that. This really
Oof.
it's really significant area, and we were taken down with the candle closure, nice retest in here. So I really do believe that there is a big chance that we're going to close this gap. So I would not be looking really to buy GJ unless you really scalp like small 1 minute price action. Um but yeah, from based on higher time frame, I'm more bearish, and then I would try and scalp it um, in that way. Yeah, more bearish. Nasdaq is going up, which is great. EU is also going up, which is not great because I'm selling it, and obviously gold took me ugly way out, and now we're kind of stuck. So I don't know what the gold, if the gold will find some sort of support level. Um, we do have like a yeah, it's ugly looking, you guys. It's really ugly looking. That's the only thing I can tell you. And yeah, and also my Euro trade is ugly looking, but I'm going to leave this. Like, I feel good about where my stop is Obviously, this is not ideal. I really would like to see for the price now to shift and go more bearish. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to update how this trade went, and I'm going to post it in our Discord. So if you're not part of the Leverage Discord, please join in. And yeah, and let's join the trading floor in there and share our setup, share our wins, our losses. And for Amin, we are going to see you later on in X.
Yeah, in 2 hours I will be on X,
Yep.
and
And
then
then on Discord.
on Discord.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So we will see how everything's gonna go. Did you take any more trades, or you just looked?
I missed the trade.
Image. Okay.
Missed the
Okay.
trade,
Well,
but I
better
will
luck
wait
next
for the
time.
take it. I will wait
Better
for
luck next time.
it's okay.
Right. Okay, guys. That's us. We're going to finish this session. Thank you so much for joining in. And if you enjoyed that, please subscribe to our channel. We actually just hit a 1,000 subscriber mark, which is really, really big achievement. And if you enjoy them, please, comment and put a thumbs up just so we can grow together and have these fun sessions. Right. Okay, guys. Take care, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye bye.